Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of June 2022. While we've shifted from a hot seller's market to a balanced market in only a couple of months, we're still seeing prices up year over year in almost all segments of the market. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to June of last year. For Guelph, the median sales price was $775,500, which is up by 11.8%. The average sales price per square foot was $444, which is down by 0.4%. The total number of listings was 420, which is up by 18%, and the total number of sales was 208, which is down by 30.4%. For the Tri-City, in Kitchener, the median sales price was $700,000, which is up by 3.7%. In Waterloo, the median sales price was $685,000, up by 3.5%. And in Cambridge, it was $690,000, down by 1.9%. Despite the year-over-year growth for each of the local markets, with the exception of Waterloo, median sale prices are down across the board relative to last month for the third consecutive month. The Guelph market prices are down by 7.1%, while Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge are down by 6.5%, 12.2%, and 11.5% respectively. Homes are still selling, of course, and the big change we're seeing is the return of buyer's choice. Homes are spending much longer on the market. In fact, median days on market in Guelph was 8 days in June 2021 and up to 17 days in June 2022. Properties are not seeing the intense multiple offer scenarios that we saw last year, and with that, we're seeing a stabilization of the sale to list price ratios. So in June, it was 99%, down from a whopping 120.5% in January 2022. We're also seeing the return of buyer conditions, including home inspections, financing, and in particular, we're actually starting to see some sale of property conditions being accepted by sellers. While these changes seem to be happening fast, and too fast for many, particularly those that are in the middle of a buying and selling cycle, we're starting to see the shifts that we had actually asked for a couple of months ago. I believe we're heading in the right direction for a balanced market, despite the system shock that we're going through right now. If you're considering a move in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out, help you navigate this market, and help you achieve your real estate goals. Thanks a lot and have a great day.